Okay, so paano naman class no kapag ang cash selling price ng item of PPE is hindi given, no? Hindi available sa problem. Ang sabi natin, no, we record the PPE laging naka-cash price. Okay? Ngayon, ang question dito, paano kapag walang cash price na given? Kagaya ng problem na to, no? Ang required, prepare indicated entries for 2020 and 2021. Okay? On January 1, 2020, EC Company purchased a machine under the following terms. So, nag-down siya ng 100,000 and yung balance in 4 annual installments of 200,000 pesos. The first installment note to be paid on December 31, 2020. Okay? Ayan. The fair value of the machine is not clearly determinable on the date of acquisition. So, hindi available class no ang fair value and hindi rin sinabi sa problem no yung cash selling price ng machine, no? The prevailing rate of interest for this type of obligation is 10%. The present value factors at 10% for 4 periods are so given class no ang mga present value factors. Okay? Ayan. Ang unang problem dito class no, wala ngang cash price. So paano natin i-record yung PPE kung walang cash price na given? Okay? Tapos binili pa ng hulugan, no? So kapag ganon class no, we compute the present value of future payments. Okay? We compute the present value of future payments. Since ito class no ay hulugan, no, binili siya ng installment, binili ng hulugan, may nakapaloob no na interest diyan. Okay? And kailangan natin no, kumbaga tanggalin yung interest doon sa mga installment payments. And para magawa 'yon no, we will determine the present value of future payments. Okay? So ang nangyari no, si EC Company bumili ng machine, nag-down siya ng 100,000 pesos, no? So this is the present value, no? Okay, so nag-down siya ng 100,000, okay? At the time of acquisition and yung 4 annual installments, no? 200,000 multiply natin ng present value factor. Present value of ordinary annuity of 1, 3.17. So, yan yung ating gagamitin na present value factor. No? 3.70. Okay? Ayan. So, ito yung ginamit natin, class, no? Kasi installment, no? Yung payment. 4 annual payments of 200,000 pesos, no? And ginagamit natin ang present value of ordinary annuity of 1 kapag equal, no? Yung payments, no? And kapag yung first payment ay mangyayari ng end of accounting period. No? Kaya ginamit natin ang present value of ordinary annuity of 1. Okay? Yung 0.683 ay irrelevant. No? Okay? Irrelevant yan. So, 200,000 times 3.17. So, that is 634. Okay? 634. Therefore, this is the deemed, no? This is the deemed cash price ng machinery, 734,000. Okay? This is the deemed cash price ng machinery, 734,000 pesos. Yan. Okay? Hindi natin ginamitan no ng present value factor yung down payment kasi yan ay naka-express na into present value, no? Since ang 100,000 ay nangyari din, down payment nangyari at the time of acquisition. No? Kaya yan ay naka-present value na. No need to multiply no, sa present value factor. Okay? So, ayan, 734,000 is the cash price of machinery. Okay? Ayan. Kapag ganyan class no, na hindi given ng cash price, the present value of payments no, is deemed no, the cash price equivalent ng item of PPE. Kaya ginawa natin, no, nag-compute tayo ng cash price. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, compute na rin natin, no, yung installment price. Okay? installment price. Okay? So basically, the installment price is lahat ng future payments. Okay? Lahat ng future payments. So nangyari, nag-down payment siya ng 100,000 and yung balance daw no in 4 annual payments. So 200,000 times 4. Okay? That is 800,000. Okay? Therefore, the total installment price is 900. Okay? Kapag binili natin ng installment itong machinery na ito, no, ang installment price niya 900,000. Okay? Kapag binili natin ng cash price or kapag binili natin ng cash straight basis itong machinery na to, it is deemed na magbabayad tayo ng 734. Therefore, the difference between the installment price and cash price, yun yung interest. Okay? Yun yung interest ng buong installment period, no? From 2020 December 31 hanggang sa matapos yung 4 annual payments. Ito yung total interest na mai-incur ni EC Company, 166,000. Okay? That's the difference, the installment price and the cash price. 166,000 pesos. Okay? Ayan. Ngayon, no, hindi ito pwedeng i-recognize agad ni EC Company as interest expense, no? Kasi ang rule natin diyan, we will amortize, no, the interest na 166. So ibig sabihin, i-spread out kumbaga natin itong 166 into different accounting periods, no? Okay? Ayan. Now ang required, no, indicated entries. So journal entries for 2020, no? 2020. Okay? We debit January 1, no, date. We debit machinery. How much? Eh di yung kanyang cash price, 734,000 pesos. Okay? We debit the discount on notes payable na magkano? 166. No? Gaya yung binanggit ko kanina, hindi natin itong pwedeng i-recognize, no, as interest expense outright. Kasi, i-amortize natin yan into, i-amortize natin itong 166 para malaman natin yung interest expense for the accounting period. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, credit cash kasi nagbayad ng down payment, 100,000. And credit notes payable, no, for the balance na 800,000. Okay? Ayan. Notes payable, no, kasi installment note yung sinabi ng problem. Ayan, okay? So, ito, no, ito record the acquisition. Now, ang sunod natin, yung payment na, no? Kasi every December 31 daw yung payment. Okay? So, syempre, we will debit notes payable. We credit cash, no? 200,000. And next, no, yung amortization ng discount on notes payable. So, gagawa tayo, no, ng amortization schedule. Ayan. So, gamitin na lang natin tong green paper, no? Ayan. Okay? Ayan. Para malaman natin, no, ano yung interest expense for year 2020. Ayan. And we have date, payment, then interest, tapos principal, then carrying amount, no? Ayan, carrying amount. Okay, yan lang naman yung mga kailangan natin. Ayan. So, syempre mag-start tayo January 1, no, 2020. Ayan. The carrying amount of the notes payable as of January 1, 2020 is basically the 634,000 pesos, no? That is the 800,000 minus discount na 166. Kaya 634. Okay? 634,000 pesos. Okay? Ayan. Next natin, no, December 31, 2020. Okay? So, nagbayad ng 200,000, no? 200,000. Interest na 10% is 10% of carrying amount. So, 634,000 times 10%, that is 63,400. 200,000 pesos yung payment, 63,400 yung interest. Therefore, the principal is yung difference nito. No? Sa 200,000, 63,400 ang interest. The principal is, kano yun? 136,600. Okay? And since ito ay installment, no? Therefore, the carrying amount, papunta tayo sa 0. Okay? 634 papuntang 0. No? 634,000 minus 136,600. So, that is 497,400. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, sa 2020, we will recognize no interest expense na 63,400. We debit interest expense 63,400 and credit discount on notes payable 63,400. Yeah. Okay? So as of December 31, 2020, the carrying amount of notes payable is 497,400. Okay? Next natin yung 2021. Ayan. Yung 2021. Ayan. So, syempre sa 2021, no, ang i-record na lang natin dyan, no, yung payment, no, yung payment sa December 31. Okay? So, December 31. Ayan, dito lang, no. 200,000 ulit. Tapos, yung interest is 10% of carrying amount. So, dito, 497,400 na, no? Yung carrying amount times the 10%. Therefore, the interest expense for 2021 is 49,740. Okay? Ayan. And the principal is 150,260. Ayan, 260. Okay? Therefore, the carrying amount of notes payable as of December 31, 2021 is 347,140. Okay? Ayan. So, 2021, December 31, no, we debit notes payable 200,000. We credit cash 200,000. Okay? And debit interest expense magkano? 49,740. And credit discount on notes payable 49,740. Okay? So again, ang purpose ng amortization table natin basically no is paano i-allocate no sa different accounting periods no itong 166,000 no na interest. Okay? Ayan. So ibig sabihin, yung 166,000 na yan, 63,400 dyan would be the interest expense of 2020. 49,740 yung interest ng 2021. So, pag pinagpatuloy nyo to, no? Pag pinagpatuloy nyo to, ayan, mag-a-arrive kayo, no? Sa carrying amount na 0. Okay? Ayan. So, hanggang doon lang naman, no? Ang ating journal entries kasi ang hinihingi lang naman ng problem, no? 2020 and 2021. Okay?